Hello everyone. We are here with the Charger again today because, well, it's time to finally get that transmission built. Got all my parts outside. I've got the pan off, the valve body off, and the accumulator out, but I hadn't really done too much else. Let's take a look at it and let's get started. Alright, valve body's right there. Not really too much taking the valve body out, so I just went ahead and took that out. Got the accumulator out. I went ahead and took this pin out. It's a 1/4 inch plug. End of a 1/4 inch ratchet goes in there. It comes out, and this pin holding on the ratio arm just slides out with no issues. I have been in this transmission before, so I left the pump gasket out to make it easier to take it apart to rebuild it. So this thing is ready. It's loose. It's ready to come out. GoPro set up. Let's take it apart. Alright, got all the parts laid out that I'm going to be using. Got the case cleaned. Got it all sprayed out. Everything's good. It's just some white residue in there, probably from the cleaner. I'm just going to put some transmission fluid in there to go ahead and wet that down again. But here's the parts that I'm not going to be using. The drum that was in it, there's nothing wrong with it, but the rear drum that was in it, because I bought a reconditioned one, so I'm going to use that one. And the front and rear clutch drums. Once again, nothing wrong with these. I'm just upgrading to billet steel. Better parts. Got my dual ring accumulator, all the other stuff, my seals and everything. So let's I guess get the GoPro started and start it up again and get it built. Oh yeah, I am not, nor do I claim to be, a professional when it comes to building transmissions. So I will not have a how-to on everything I do on here. I have checked the clearances on my clutches and I'm happy with them and everything else. So yeah, I will not. This will not be a how-to because I am not a professional. There are other people on YouTube that are well more qualified to explain the ins and outs of everything. So this is just going to be a speedy footage of me assembling this transmission. So let's get to it. Well, that was an ordeal, but I got the bolt-in sprag installed. It's all looking good. Now I need to get the tail shaft in after I replace these two seals right here, these two rings. Then I can install that, put the tail shaft on, and then start building the insides. The tail shaft, I still need to install the tail shaft bushing, but I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna do that later. I don't really have time to do it today. But that tail shaft is easy enough to come off that I can do it later. So that's done. So let's get to that so I can get the rest of it. Well, I got it together. My camera kind of died and I was kind of focused, so I didn't charge the battery from when I was doing all the engine work. But it's together. Got all my upgrade pieces in. Tried to make sure you could see the A&A transmission everywhere on everything. This is not adjusted. This is just loose in here. So still needs to be adjusted, and I still need to verify the end play. I'm not 100% on that, but it's looking good. I kind of ran out of time today, otherwise I'd still be messing with it. Probably going to loosen the pump up a little bit to try to save the gasket, so I don't have to buy another one. Yeah, it's together. About to put the pan back on it just to protect it, and probably be doing the rest off camera because it's the valve body, and I got to get the shift kit installed into it. And like I said, I am not an expert, and there's a lot more well-qualified people on YouTube to explain valve bodies and everything and transmissions, so that's why I didn't show anything aside from me just doing the work. But together, pretty confident that it's all together properly. Like I said, I just got to double check a couple of things, and then that'll be it. Next video on the Charger, don't know when that's going to be, is probably going to be the engine transmission going back in. So like I said, don't know when that's going to be. I've got Indy in a couple weeks, and warmer days coming up, so should be happening before too long. But that'll be the end of the video. Probably not going to be very long. I don't know how long this is going to be, but I've got everything together. It's awesome. Still need to do a couple small things, but that is the bulk of it. But there's the video. Like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you next one.